Hello, how are you? Pleasure, my name is Marcus and I'm 39 years old. In this video I want to talk about my 6-month straight process with KeravitaPro. There are many people being deceived and wasting all their money with this product. Pay close attention to what I'm going to tell you during this video about Keravita. I apologize for not appearing in this video as I am too shy to appear on the internet, but I will tell you everything that happened to me using 6 bottles of KeravitaPro. I decided to use Keravita because I had been suffering from fungus on my toenails for a long time. My fingers were swollen and my nails were ugly and all broken from the fungus. I tried everything to eliminate these fungi from my feet. I took medicine, I improved my diet, but I was never able to remove these fungi. That's when my cousin, who is a dermatologist, recommended me to use KeravitaPro. She told me that it was one of the best products to fight fungus on the feet and to remove all stink and renew the nails in general to be normal again. She told me that KeravitaPro has no side effects, as its formula is 100% organic and approved by the FDA. So, as recommended by an expert on the subject, I decided to buy. She recommended me to do a treatment with 3 or 6 bottles to get the best possible result and permanently. I bought the 6-bottle treatment straight away because I wanted to permanently eliminate all the fungus. Regarding delivery, I have nothing to complain about as the product arrived in less than 10 days here at home. I started by taking 2 capsules of Keravita a day, one in the morning and one in the evening. Each bottle of KeravitaPro has 60 pills and lasts for 30 days of use. To be honest, in my first month with KeravitaPro I didn't feel such good results. I just noticed that he was helping to take some of the swelling off my fingers. But in the second month I already noticed that the fungi were coming out. In the third month about 60% of the fungi had already disappeared. My fingers have already stopped stinking a bit, and I also noticed that he improved my hair. I had hair loss but it wasn't serious, but KeravitaPro helped a lot to make my hair stronger, shiny and healthy. In the 5 months of use, I practically had no fungi on my feet or hands. My fingers were no longer swollen or stinking anymore. At the end of the 6 bottles of KeravitaPro my nails grew healthy again, without any fungus and without cracks. My nails improving 100% after I used KeravitaPro. I am very happy with the results I had because I was very ashamed of my feet and nowadays they are beautiful again and without stinking. Without a doubt this product was the best I have ever used because it was the only one that gave me great results and removed all my fungi from my feet, and even after I stopped using Keravita I remain with the results. I haven't used it for 2 months and never created fungi again. The results are incredible. My hair is also much more beautiful, soft, smelling and shiny after I used Keravita. But remember that in order to have good results with KeravitaPro you will need to make a treatment of at least 3 to 6 bottles to have great results and permanently. Do not buy just 1 bottle of Keravita as it is not enough to have good results and eliminate all the fungi you have. You also have to be careful where you buy KeravitaPro as many people end up losing money by purchasing fake KeravitaPro. The original is only sold through the official website of the product. To help you not fall for scams, I will leave here in the description of my video the same site where I bought the original Keravita and it arrived right in less than 10 days. It has a 60-day money-back guarantee. If you can't find the site here in the video description, I'll leave this official KeravitaPro site for you in the first comment on the video, okay? So the site where I bought the original product is in the description and first comment. I hope I helped you with this review of KeravitaPro. Stay with God and even more.